All right, welcome. Uh, we will now set and configure a schedule role. Uh, Click here, and then it's gonna take you up here. Uh, Choose the one that says schedule query role. Once you click on that, the page is gonna load up, and here you just put a name. I'll just put this name here. I'll leave that. And description, I don't have to put anything there. I'll just put the same thing here, and then leave it the way it is. And this is the severity of the role. If you want to put this role as high, or you want to put it as low, or you put it medium, I'm just going to leave it medium as of right now. And here you don't have to do that much here. I'm just going to leave that empty. And then the status of the role, you have to like don't disable it and enable it. And let's go next. And then up here, this is where you set the role. This is where you put the queries. For now, I'm just gonna say audit audit log. Okay, this is it. And let's do this. Where operation name. I'll leave that. Operation name equals to. Make sure I'm doing the right thing there. Operation name equal to. Let me just say add. Let's see. Add user parentheses. Okay, I'll leave this. I'll leave that. That's perfect. And then here you have different a lot. So you can go ahead and configure this part, but I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. And how you want this thing to how many times, like how long you want this to send a lot. So I'm just gonna say 5 minutes instead of 5 hours, because I want it like after we finish configuring this, we should be able to get alarm or alert right away. I'm just gonna leave this 5 minutes, and start running automatically, or you can set a time that this will start running, but I want it to be automatically, because I want to see some reports on this rule as we're still working on it. And then for this one, if you put one here, you're gonna end up like create another user, second username, but I'm just gonna leave it at 0, and then that way we'll be able to see result right away. And then over here it says event grouping. You can group the event here, or you can leave it as a single alert. So each event has to, like, if you want to group it, you can group like different event into a group, or if you want to leave it as a single alert, you can also select this option. But as of right now, I'm just going to leave it. I'm just going to group all the event and all the alert to this group. And then you can stop running the query after the alert is generated. No, I'm just going to leave it the way it is, and then just go to incident respond. uh this is I'll leave this the way it is, and I'm not going to disable the alert grouping. I'm just going to leave it that way, and go to automation. This is another topic. I'm not gonna explain that much about this here. I'm just gonna leave this the way it is. But this is where you do your setting for automation and all, and how to add new automation to different group. Let's go review and create. So now this is it. We already review and create, and the validation is already passed. That means we are good here. And Go ahead and save it. And as you can see, it's saved. That's it. It's saved. And then you're going to see it here. You're going to see it here, right here. So this is the role that we just created. These are the active roles. You guys remember when I was telling you about active roles and role templates and all. But let's click on this role and see what we have in there. It's gonna take time to load up, but basically this is how you set and configure role. And I hope you like this video, and let's continue. We're almost there, and we're gonna talk about automation and others. Thank you so much.